In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add deposit on Fresha. Setting up deposits is a simple way to reduce no-shows, secure commitment, and protect your team's time. I'll walk you through where to find the settings, how to choose the right deposit type, and what your clients will see once it's enabled. Start by signing into your Fresha account and heading to Settings. From there, open Payments, then select Payment Policy. This is where you control how clients pay when they book. Think of it as the central place for your booking rules, whether clients book online or you create appointments in store. Next, look for Policy on all bookings, or the scope that's most relevant to your setup, and click Edit. In the payment policy options, choose Require a deposit upfront. This tells Fresha to request payment from clients before the appointment is confirmed, which helps secure their spot and reduces last-minute cancellations. Now decide how much you want to collect. You can set a fixed amount, like a specific currency value, or choose a percentage of the total service price. A fixed amount is great if your services are similarly priced and you want a consistent minimum. A percentage scales with the service cost, which is ideal if you offer a range of prices and want deposits to adjust automatically. For example, a 20% deposit on a higher-priced treatment ensures the upfront amount reflects the value of the service. If you need more control, customize the deposit rules. You can apply the deposit only to certain services, like longer or premium treatments, or limit it to new clients if you want established clients to book without a deposit. You can also target clients with a history of no-shows, which helps encourage reliability where it matters most. These options let you balance client experience with business protection. From this point on, whenever clients book, whether they're scheduling online through your booking page or you're adding an appointment in-store, the deposit requirement will appear. Clients will see the amount due upfront and can complete payment as part of the booking process. This makes expectations clear and ensures the appointment is secured right away. It's a good idea to keep your cancellation and refund terms visible in your policies so clients know what happens if plans change. That's it. You've added a deposit policy in Fresha, set the amount, and tailored the rules to fit your business. Once it's live, try a test booking to see the deposit prompt and you're ready to go.